In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a formula to an entire column in Google Sheets. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open in your browser and that you're looking at the spreadsheet where you want to do your calculation. You should already have your data entered and a header at the top of the column where you want your results. In this example, we'll imagine you have a column labeled total, and you want that column to automatically calculate the result of multiplying two other columns. Start by clicking on the first empty cell directly underneath your total header. This is the cell where you'll write your formula, and it will act as the template for the rest of the column. Take a second to confirm that this cell lines up with the first row of data you want to calculate. Now, type your formula into that cell. For this example, we'll use a simple multiplication formula. Type equals B2 star C2. Written out, that looks like E stars B2 C2. Here, B2 and C2 represent the cells in columns B and C on the same row. You can adjust these cell references if your data is in different columns, but the idea is the same. Once you've typed the formula, press enter on your keyboard. You should now see a calculated value appear in that cell based on the data in B2 and C2. If you see an error instead, double check that your cell references are correct and that your data is entered properly. Next, click on that same formula cell again to select it. You'll notice a small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell's border. This is called the fill handle, and it's what lets you copy the formula quickly. To apply the formula to the entire column, move your mouse over that blue square until your cursor changes to a small crosshair. Then, double-click on the blue box. Google Sheets will automatically copy the formula down the column, filling every row where there's data in the adjacent columns. You'll see the results instantly. Each row in the total column now has its own calculation, using the corresponding cells from columns B and C. If you click on any of these cells, you'll see that the formula has adjusted for that row, like ELT B3 C3, ES B4 C4, and so on. And that's it. You've successfully applied a formula to an entire column in Google Sheets using just one formula and a quick double click.